Welcome to today's video where we discuss an important topic for seniors, keeping your arteries clear and your heart healthy. But one thing we don't have to accept is the increased risk of heart disease. We can fight back, and we can do it right from our kitchens. That's right, folks, we're talking about the power of food. We'll be sharing 5 foods that can help you maintain good cardiovascular health. These are simple, delicious foods you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. So whether you're cooking for yourself or a loved one, stay tuned. Let's start with a breakfast staple: oats. Think of oats as your arterial scrubbers. They're full of soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your digestive system, soaking up bad cholesterol and gently ushering it out of your body. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning is not just good for your heart, it's comforting and sets you up for a great day. You can add some berries for sweetness and flavor, or some nuts for crunch. Next up, we journey to the deep blue sea for a heart-healthy superstar salmon. This fatty fish is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats that your heart craves. Omega-3s act like firefighters, calming down inflammation and preventing it from causing damage to your arteries. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines per week. You can grill it, bake it, or even add it to salads for a heart-healthy boost. Now, who can resist a handful of juicy, delicious berries? They're not just bursting with flavor, they're bursting with antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells and keeping your heart healthy. Berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants. Add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a sweet treat. Your heart will thank you for it. Let's talk about nuts, specifically almonds and walnuts. Nuts are high in unsaturated fat, the good kind that helps lower bad cholesterol levels. A handful of nuts makes for a satisfying and convenient snack. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as they are calorie dense. Finally, we come to a staple of the Mediterranean diet: olive oil. Olive oil is a treasure chest of monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol. Use it to dress your salads, drizzle it over vegetables, or use it for sautéing and baking. Just remember to choose extra virgin olive oil, as it's the least processed and retains the most nutrients. A little goes a long way in adding flavor and heart-healthy benefits to your meals. So, there you have it. 5 powerful foods that can make a world of difference in your heart health. Imagine your arteries like rivers that need to flow freely to nourish your entire body. These foods help keep those rivers clean and flowing smoothly. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy. Here's to a long, vibrant life filled with good food and even better health.